Hi, second grade friends. Today is day 2 of our collage. We're learning about organic and geometric shapes. Remember, geometric shapes have a name. Names that you would probably learn in math: rectangle, square, triangle, heart, circle. And then we have our organic shapes. Shapes that are important that don't necessarily have a name: the shape of a flower, a paint splatter, a gingerbread man, monster horn, the shape of a leaf, the shape of a pair of scissors or a glue bottle. Okay, we're going to use those today on the paper that you cut out. Okay, and remember I told you to color them fall colors, leaf colors: red, orange, yellows, greens, browns. Okay, so what you're going to do, I have my stack right here. I am going to flip them each over because I think it'll be easiest to do it this way. I want you to do this with a pencil. I'm doing it with marker so you can see what I'm doing. And you're going to draw large. And you're going to use either an organic, actually let me see. I want you to do at least 2 organic and 2 geometric shapes. You can do more than that, but I want you to do 2. So let me show you what I mean. All right, on the back here, I'm going to do a large triangle. This is going to be the shape of one of my trees, and later on we'll cut them out. All right, so I have a triangle. There's one geometric shape. This one I'm going to do a large oval. Now you don't have to do a triangle or an oval. It could be a heart. It could be a circle. It could be a square, but I want it to be large. I want you to draw the same shape as your paper. So here's my 2 geometrics. Let me put those aside. Now I'm going to do 2 organic. All right, so this one I'm going to do like the shape of a cloud. All right, and then I'm going to do this one. My hand's a little big, so maybe I'll do it still. Let me do this with a crayon, though, so my hand's not all marker. Just do this outside shape. Your hand might fit if you end up doing this, but mine's a little too big. Okay, all right, so now I have 2 organic, 2 geometric. You can always do more, but I want you to at least have 2 and 2, which is 4. You're going to need a pair of scissors for this part. You're going to use your scissors, and you're going to cut out each of your shapes. These shapes are going to be the tree tops to our collage. All right, after you cut these out, you are going to use a blank piece of paper. The blank piece of paper is going to be your background. So what I'm doing is I'm taking my papers that I cut out, and I'm not gluing them yet because I want to organize them to make sure that I'm happy with what they look like. And I'm going to end up overlapping some of them. What does overlap mean? That means one thing covers up part of another thing, which makes your stuff look more realistic. So my brown organic shape is covering up my orange. I'm cutting out this one. I think this one will be tucked behind that one. That way it'll look like one tree is in front of the other. Now right now it doesn't look like a tree or a bunch of trees. It will later, I promise, friends. So you can cut these out. You're going to glue them. And then what I want you to do is I want you to draw the tree trunks before you stop today. So let's pretend I glued mine down just to save us time on our video. All right, so let's pretend I glued them down. You are going to use a black, let's do it with pencil first. I'm using a black marker so you can see, but you can use a pencil. You're going to make a tree trunk. You're going to use geometric shapes, your rectangles. If these were glued down, my stuff wouldn't be sliding around. Okay, so this is day 2. All right, next time I see you will be day 3, finish day. Keep up the good work. I'm proud of you guys. Bye.